A very good morning, everybody. Good morning. It gives me, Manasi, immense delight in extending a hearty welcome to all of you, especially the esteemed dignitaries, all you invitees who are present here in this iconic International Convention Hall of BSc for this extremely special event, listing of Veranda Learning Solutions Limited. Commenced in the year 2018, Veranda Learning Solutions Limited is engaged in the business of offering diversified and integrated learning solutions in online, offline, hybrid, and offline blended formats to students, aspirants, and graduate professionals, as well as corporate employees. Their offline hybrid learning model involves classroom teaching supported with online assessments and access to self-paced learning material to enhance recall and retention. The company's offline blended model involves a mix of online content and offline delivery, wherein the center delivers LMS study materials together with traditional classroom experience of personal mentoring from mentors, with a dedicated mentor in each classroom available for assistance to students. बीएससी के इस ऐतिहासिक सभागार में उपस्थित सभी का मैं मानसी तहे दिल से स्वागत करती हूँ. We will now welcome the esteemed dignitaries with bouquets of flowers, beginning with Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, BSc. Sir. A very warm welcome to you, Ashish, sir. The leadership team of Veranda Learning Solutions Limited, who are stalwarts in their respective fields, Shri Kalpati S. Suresh, Executive Director, cum Chairman, hearty welcome to you, sir. Shri Kalpati S. Ganesh, Non-Executive Director, welcome, sir. Shri Praveen Kumar, President, Corporate Strategy, welcome to you. And Shri Ananta Ramakrishnan, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer. Welcome. We will now like to extend a warm welcome to the book running lead manager who have played an integral part in the success of this IPO. We have with us Shri C.P. Khandelwal, Chairman, Systematics Corporate Services Limited. Hearty welcome to you. Shri Nikhil Khandelwal, Managing Director, Systematics Corporate Services Limited. Welcome. और अब भारतीय परंपरा के अनुसार दीप प्रज्वलित कर इस आयोजन का उद्घाटन होगा. In keeping with the Indian tradition, we will inaugurate this function by lighting the auspicious ceremonial lamp. And to do the honors, I request the management team of Veranda's Learning Solutions Limited, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO BSE, along with the book running lead manager. दीपेन लोकान जयति दीपस्तेजोमयः स्मृतः चतुर्वर्ग प्रदोदीपन तस्मात् दीप यजेत प्रिये. This couplet in Sanskrit translates, the lamp is luminous, its radiance grants victory, its light imparts dharma, artha, kama and moksha, that is, righteousness, prosperity, pleasure and emancipation. This is the significance of lighting a lamp. And hence a lamp should be lit. Lamp, as we know, is also a symbol of knowledge. दीप ज्ञान का प्रतीक होता है, हम सभी जानते हैं. Yes, moments to be treasured in the form of photographs. Let us have a nice group picture for memory's sake. यादगार पल हम सभी के लिए. The lamp being lit, the function being inaugurated, I request the esteemed dignitaries to please take their seats while I call upon Shri Nikhil Khandelwal, Managing Director, Systematics Corporate Services Limited, for the opening address.
Hi, good morning, everyone. Am I audible? Okay, great. Well, welcome to one and all. People traveled from Chennai, Bangalore, and all part of the country to for this important occasion. Very important day, not just because our company, our young company is getting listed, but also because it is probably the first IPO of this financial year on the Indian exchanges. It is also, Veranda also becomes the first edutech company to get. So, it's a big feat for the sector as well. While there are many companies which are in the education sector listed, but I think truly an edutech business getting listed, I think it is an important milestone for the sector and for the industry. I think everybody in this hall knows that this important occasion and this day wouldn't have come without the vision set by Mr. Suresh Kalpati. And we are in a way all part of this vision which he brought into the company in 2018 and to an IPO plan which came about in in about 6 months back. So 6 months of strong hard work with Mr. Kalpati and his team, and and Veranda is a large family, a team of race, team of Edureka. Everybody came together to make this event happen, and congratulations to all of you on this important milestone for the company. At this point, I would like to thank my team who has worked alongside the Veranda to make this event happen. From Systematics, Amit, Manish, and team, the legal team from Rajani, from Chennai, Neeluji, Jagdish, and the team, and last but not the least, Ram and his team from Incred. A lot of teamwork has gone into this event coming to light, and really thankful to all to be part of this journey. I again like to congratulate Mr. Kalpati and his family for this important. This is clearly a start of a very long but very exciting journey. It's as I said, it's a small family of just 2 brands, Race and Edureka, and which are also growing very fast, and many more exciting businesses to be added in the course of this journey. But I think everything with one important message and a vision, which is providing education for the masses. Making education affordable. I think that is an important binding force which binds all the people within the organization, and look forward to being part of this exciting journey. Thank you one and all for being part of this, and thanks again Mr. Kalpati for trusting us to be part of this important occasion. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Khandelwal, for the initial remarks. And now I request Shri Kalpati S. Suresh, Executive Director cum Chairman, Veranda Learning Solutions Limited, to address this August gathering.
Thank you and warm welcome to everybody who have made time to be there for this important occasion for the company. I think as Nikhil mentioned, Veranda as a journey stands really for 3 core principles which are very close to my heart: to deliver very high quality education that drives outcomes and that are affordable to what I call as the real India. Given the humble beginnings that I have had, this is a passion that is not just close to my heart, but to the entire team at Veranda. I would like to thank our lead managers. I remember meeting them 6 months ago, and CP told me that, Chaltai will get this done. So from there to today, we got this done thanks to a lot of work by the lead managers. I want to thank the legal team at Rajani Associates who have played an integral part in this work, and significant work from the team from Veranda, both people who face the limelights, and there are a whole lot of people who have worked from behind to make this happen. Thanks to Neelakantan, who has always been an advisor and a well-wisher for the family, who has played a significant part. Thanks to Ram and Incred. Thanks to Anant, Praveen, a whole lot of other people from my team, and thanks to the team from Trans, who have all made this happen. For me, this is sort of a second coming in a fashion, and the best way that I would have wanted to see it happen is in education. This is an important point in time. When India is looking at creating a $5 trillion economy, the strong belief is that for this to essentially happen, all of India has to contribute. And when I say all of India, it's the real Bharat that has to contribute. And Veranda will always stand for and ensure in all facets of education that we expect to be, that we democratize access to high quality education. In my own humble journey, if my education, whether at IIT or elsewhere, had not been significantly subsidized by scholarships and thanks to the government of India, I wouldn't have been in front of you to address this August gathering. I know it was access to very high quality education that was afforded to me that made it happen, and that would be a single point driving force behind Veranda in its journey into the future. Again, thanks to BSc. I was just mentioning to Ashish a few minutes ago, the last time we listed, the Madras Stock Exchange was our mother exchange. Lots of things have changed. Today it is BSc that's our mother exchange, and thanks for the opportunity for again a warm welcome into the exchange. And we expect this momentous occasion to propel us significantly into the future. Thanks again and warm welcome to everybody.
Let us hear a resounding of claps for the social commitment of Veranda Learning Solutions Limited towards affordable education for all. I will now invite Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, BSc, to address the audience on this highly joyous and equally significant occasion.
Shri Kalpati Suresh, Kalpati family, Shri Rangarajan R, Shri Praveen Kumar, Shri Anant Ramkrishnan, Shri C.P. Khandelwal, Shri Nikhil Khandelwal. Friends, a good morning to all of you at the BSc's iconic International Convention Hall to celebrate the equity listings of Veranda Learning Solutions. Earlier, this venue used to be trading floor of BSc, but now it is used to host events such as today's listing after automation of its trading systems. Most of the activity of BSc, the world's fastest exchange with a speed of 6 microseconds, which is 10 times faster than any exchange in India, happens at data centers just besides this hall, highlighting the transformation. Today, 1 out of every 3 rupees held by Indians as wealth is represented here in this hall. BSc is India's leading and most diverse exchange, which provides an efficient and transparent market for trading in a bouquet of products, including equities, debt, currencies, commodities, interest rates, mutual fund, insurance, agriculture, and many more. Over the last 147 years, BSc has put forward its platform for over 10.2 crore investors to trade in a highly secure and reliable environment that offers enhanced liquidity, diversity of participants, innovative technology, and trustworthy clearing services. The BSc platform is designed to not only provide liquidity, but also bring efficiency and transparency in the price discovery mechanism for newly listed companies. It gives us immense pleasure to onboard Veranda Learning Solutions on the BSc's main board platform. We are confident that by listing on BSc, Veranda Learning Solutions will not only be able to enhance its visibility and profile, but also broaden its investor base that we hope will support its business expansion plans. BSc looks forward to continue being Veranda Learning Solutions' preferred fundraising partner as it expands its reach and grows in scale. Thank you and all the best.
Thank you, Ashish sir, for putting BSc in a nutshell, along with sharing your thoughts with us this morning. Ladies and gentlemen, time now for Memento Presentation. I will request Ashish sir to please step up on stage yet one more time to present the BSc listing Memento and the Bull Memento as a congratulatory gesture to Shri Kalpati S. Suresh, Executive Director, cum Chairman, Veranda Learning Solutions Limited. This, as you can see, is the mini replica of the big bell that has been placed on stage, which will be struck exactly at 10 a.m. This is a replica of the bull that we see at the entrance of BSE. Do accept a BSE coffee table book, sir. The glorious journey of BSE has been captured in this BSE coffee table book. Thank you, sir. I will now invite Shri Kalapati S. Ganesh, Non-Executive Director, Veranda Learning Solutions Limited, to accept the Bull Memento from Ashish, sir. Along with the coffee table book, of course. Thank you. Shri Praveen Kumar, President, Corporate Strategy, Veranda Learning Solutions Limited. Shri Ananta Ramakrishnan, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer, Veranda Learning Solutions Limited. Shri C.P. Khandelwal, Chairman, Systematics Corporate Services, BRLM. I will now request Ashish sir to stay back because I will request Shri Kalapati S. Suresh, Executive Director and Chairman of Veranda Learning Solutions Limited, to present their memento in reciprocation. What a beautiful memento that is. Can we hear that loud? Thank you, gentlemen. Please be seated while I request Shri Ananta Ramakrishnan, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer, Veranda Learning Solutions Limited, to present mementos to some very special partners whose contributions have been invaluable in the successful listing of Veranda Learning Solutions Limited. Beginning with Shri C.P. Khandelwal, Chairman, Systematics Corporate Services Limited. Shri Prem Rajani, Founding Partner, Rajani Associates, Advocates and Solicitors, Legal Counsel to the company. Thank you. Shri Neelakantan Subramanian, Chief Advisor, Trans Corporate Advisory Services Private Limited. Shri Ram Prasad M, Chairman and Co-founder, MAPE Advisory Group Private Limited. Shri Arun Mukherjee, Director, Incred Capital Wealth Portfolio Managers Private Limited, Advisor to the offer. Shri Anupam Chaturvedi from Ad Factors Advertising and PR. Registrar to the offer, KFin Technologies Private Limited. And the printers, Orient Press. Do we have anybody from Orient Press? I trust not. So we are almost approaching 10 o'clock. Sir, we'll do the vote of thanks later. I will request, Ashish sir is already here. It's 9:59, ladies and gentlemen. The momentous time for which we are waiting is fast arriving. Ringing of the gong will mark the official listing of Veranda Learning Solutions Limited. Do join me in cheering when the customary 10-second countdown begins. We will all put our hands together as the timer strikes 10 o'clock. जब 10 को 10 सेकंड बाकी होंगे, आप सभी मेरे साथ काउंटडाउन की गिनती में शामिल हो जाइएगा. तालियों की गूंज के साथ हम उस पल को सजाएंगे. जिस पल की हमें प्रतीक्षा थी वो पास आ रहा है. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heartiest congratulations to the investors, stakeholders, management of Veranda Learning Solutions Limited. बहुत बहुत बधाई और ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं. अविस्मरणीय क्षण हम सभी के लिए. One nice group photograph, please. This will stay with us for times to come. Thank you, everybody. And before Sri Ananta Ramakrishnan proposes the vote of thanks, we would like to acknowledge the statutory auditor to the company, Deloitte Haskins and Sells, the Special International Legal Counsel to the BRLMs, Duane Morris and Selvam, LLP, for their great contribution in making this IPO a success. Closing remarks, sir.
So I can now propose a vote of thanks, much relaxed. When I entered, she said, you have to start it at 9:50 and pause at the time 10 for ringing the gong. Now that the ceremony is completed in a very successful fashion, I would like to welcome the honorable guests, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great honor to propose a vote of thanks on this listing of Veranda Learning Solutions on the Bombay Stock Exchange. On behalf of Veranda Learning Solutions, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all present here on this auspicious occasion. We thank the team of BSc Limited and AdFactors for hosting this wonderful occasion of listing of Veranda Learning Solutions today. I thank, this journey has been a memorable one and would not have been possible without the support of all our partners who are present here. A special thanks is due to Mr. Neelakantan and his committed team in Transcorp Advisory Services who have been with us right from the beginning on this journey. I thank Merchant Bankers Systematic Services Limited, our legal counsel Rajani Associates, International Legal Counsel Duane Morris and Selvam LLP, and the advisors to the issue, INCRED, and syndicate members, sub-syndicate members, bankers, brokers, and all those who have been part of this to make this whole listing experience a smooth sail. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the media fraternity for their support. We'll also like to thank our advertising and PR partner, AdFactors PR. We thank, at this juncture, we would like to thank SEBI and NSE and BSE for providing a smooth mechanism for getting the shares listed and to offer this as an opportunity for wealth creation to the team at Veranda, for all the stakeholders. Last but not the least, I would extend my heartfelt gratitude for the shareholders in the form of QIB, in the form of anchor investors and non-institutional investors and the retail who have been participating overwhelmingly in this issue of us. And we look forward to return to you in form of great returns over a period of time. Thank you all once again.
On that note, ladies and gentlemen, we conclude this ceremony. Refreshments, tea, coffee has been arranged towards my left, your right. The banquet hall will be open soon. Do proceed and take care, stay safe, stay healthy. This is Manasi taking your leave. Thank you for being a lovely audience.